The TV's not destroyed just now. Then we are going to play the Battle Cat. I'm going to begin this because perfect. Korea. We're going to Philippines. We will attack the Philippines. No, attack the enemy base. About cat. Stop the action. About cat. You need money, it's not real. To remove cat. Wait until I save up. This is very slow. So there is a this is cat attack. No. My soldier killed. Come on. Yeah, first attack. What? Cat is strong. Cat wins. Later. Double damage, man. Double damage. Oh, it's picking up there. Stunning focus here. I call myself a stun. Beginnings because I'm just a beginner. I'm going to play battle in one of tanks turns. Expect attacks. Oh yeah, this is attack. Let's kill this one. I don't know anything. Promise you don't want to know anything about that. You saw that. Yep. I am another beginner. Exactly. Get my coat back. Gator. But the game almost my freaking relationship. Blah 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 blah. That's Mongolia. So the Mongolia will concentrate the ones who's watching this. No offense, no feelings. It's a game. The game is treated about dogs and crap, not humans. AKA not humans. Animals. Dying? Oh no, my nice. Let's go dying. Attack is suffering trouble. Attack! Attack! Hey, don't stop me. Don't stop my freaking beautiful cat. You're monsters. Oh, you are monsters, but shut up. Don't my way. Shut this stuff. This game doesn't slow because they are smart people. They're not valuable. They're much of them. Automatic robots that kill everyone. Don't mess with my beautiful robots. Oh, big boy! Big boy down, I repeat, big boy down. Oh, yes, over our big boys. What the? That's over our big boys? What? They are not what? My beautiful cat stuck in the rock. I'll call it base. Beautiful. This guy's only because only this. I've got my small pants. Let's fight China. Yeah, we're going to fight North Korea. What the flip? Do you believe in God? Top the above button for help. You should. That sound you told me. Now I've spammed my beautiful house. Level 8 smack. Now the cat tender the strength of my freaking cat on me. Go Wolf China! Oh yeah, that's a Wolf China right there. Look at it. It's very small. Slash, that's the only support. That's the only support there. And that's support that as you go to the starter. What's stupid news? It's very long. It's still continues there, but the only support is right there. What's stupid news? Another problem. Promise. Interior received. Interior of our shark fin. Interior. This one. Oh. Relax, cat. The most dangerous with the fucking anorexic criminals. They call them high-enormous jerks. I call them the high-enormous jerks. Yeah, duh. Best ever. What's that? They say, oh, this is Philippines. My old country. My very, very baby country. I don't know if the smallest islands are not us, usually. Or just the smallest continent. Nope. No, we have a lot of continents too, 7,000. It actually says 7,000, but I don't remember that one. We live in this continent and this is gone, so I think. This continent is wait a minute. Hey, you can just help us, right? What the fuck am I? Actually, it's my baby boy. At first, it's actually the boy. With my big boy. Dude. Now I'm going to do. What do I do with my partner? Baby boom. All my team. Be me so. Yeah, you getting ready. You get ready to go touch my crap. Fire, skippity. Now, we can come. Alright, everyone's here. Admit it. I'm going to start this almighty cat itself. And boom, more and more mafia. Stickman, soldiers. There is nothing in soldiers jumping in. That's a kid by them. Why don't bust it down with the axe speed? That sure looks like it's. Wait a minute, it's a reference of Thor! Well, Balikas was first, then to Ragnarok. Nice. Okay. Then I open up, Thor has a miracle axe. It's Infinity War. And that's new. And the Aegis. Yeah, we have to smack the axes in this. Now we have a lot. Smacking the stacks. They're the big boys too. Yeah, it's like Thor, but that podcast was a little bit interesting. The Infinity War. I'm here. I would say that. Okay, regardless. Yay! Yay! Clap your hands. And snap your leg. Beautifulness. Beautifulness. Now that is level 4. Yeah, beautiful crap. Wait a minute, did you have a freaking yes? We have the yes, we have a there. How the hell do we get those things? Oh, only cactus over there. Well, I do got a legendary name is Cambodia. You're next to get red. And you get red, Cambodia. No offense for the Cambodians. Okay, Cambodians. Check. Yep. No offense. It's just a game, right? This is just a game. This is just a game. Beautiful day outside. Snakes are coming. Girls are talking. And a statue of liberty. Statue of Liberty, Statue of Liberty. Okay, my jokes are for humorous, not for insults. I call that humorousness. I pun humor in this myth. It's not punishment. And it's called catch upping to it because it's not to catch up. It's not to catch up to the enemies faster. That you freaking cat! Okay, smacking me with pickles. You're just going to die with me. And yeah, perfect. I saw that that dog spot is clearly. No offense to the dog lovers. There's a lot of no offense. There's 2 times for that no offensive ones. And yeah. Now the attitude is kind of OP. But I have upgraded it. Oh! There's a big boy! Now that we'll target those, that's just attacking them. Just wait a minute. The actual is way bigger than the big. Small boys. Who are the big? Oh no, we're losing them. We're losing them. This is the little boys. Oh no, we're losing it. We're losing it. No, we need big boys. Yeah, actually. What the flip? They're just working us. Most of the sticking them is okay. Oh, I wish I had that stuff. But, whatever, stuff. No mercy. Us dog here, injecting a good boy again. You call me? I'm gone. Dog's in America. Oh, sorry, I was snapping. Oh, sorry, I was snapping? How about we just stay here? Abracadabra, alakazam. Alakazam? Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I did. No! Where's one of our X-boys? This Lickman boys are freaking out. Boy! No! These guys are just smacking us! Yes! Getting wrecked! Good! Oh no, this is working. The focus is coming back. Oh, we're going to spawn back again. They're attacking the same. They're attacking us the same way. We're going to wreck our whole army of freaking cats. We need a miracle from the almighty cat god. Okay, sadly. Anyway. We need to go fight it. Go fight. Fight it. At the upper left. And Chorizo at the upper left. If I just write it down, you might regret not having it. Title screen. Wait, that means the main menu? Oh yes. Let's just go to the main, go to the title screen. Record and save this number to prevent data loss. Wait a minute. BC. Oh. Thank you for that hint. Million hints and what? Oh no. Philippines, sorry. Time to attack. The battle begins. Here we go. With the castle thing. Oh. Alright, there are snakes in Philippines and there are dogs in Philippines. If that's a good way to spawn them. And there's no freaking snake in the Philippines. And there's no stigmas in Philippines. I can't hear it. I told you guys, Philippines has snakes and has dogs, but not stigmas. Yeah, looks like, why did they make the difference way easy? I don't know, maybe it's something about. Alright. I don't think that's not bad. Let me see if it's second life. The world is up to 100. Here's a little bit more, but it's like, it's a pretty risky. Yeah, big boys too. We have to use the big boys. Goodbye, Lord. Did I hit right? Every time I look at you, it's a banana. There's a new car waiting to be upgraded. Oh, it's one of the special cats. There's a ninja cat. Oh, is it this guy? One of the strongest fighters rivals with Axe Cat, 10 wins. One of the strongest fighters rivals with Axe Cats, 10 wins, 1 loss. Strong against with enemies. Says strong against with enemies. This is so bad. Cross cats. Oh, this thing, they're pretty long legs. Lemurs. We're in the land of the river. Okay, this guy's to say, do need you. And if it you, I'll tell you toilet paper. I need you. But guys, this is all of the vid. Sorry guys, and this is all of it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. This is in the right direction. Fantasy Split. Because, bye.